In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create an Instagram account. So first, click on Instagram. Then you want to click down here, create new account. Now you could either use a phone number or email. I'll use email. I'll put in my email here. Then click next. Now you want to put a confirmation code, so I'll just go into my emails and get the code. So there you go. I'll just put the code here, 429637. 429637. Next. Now you're gonna put a password. Let me just blur this. Okay, I put my password. Now I'm gonna click next. Now I'm just gonna click save info, and then I'm gonna put my date of birth. Okay, and set. Then next. Now I'm gonna put my full name. Next. Now username, I'll keep it the same. I'll click next. Now agree. Now you can just put a picture, so I'll pick a picture from my gallery. Let me pick a better one, this one. Okay, there you go. So I'm gonna put done after I choose my picture. Now it says welcome to Instagram. Now click next. Allow. So I'll just click skip here. Skip again, and there you go. So I've officially created my Instagram account, and here what my Instagram account looks like. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.